Well, here's a wild tale. I stumbled upon this nature channel the other day. That's pulling in millions and millions of views per video, as you can see. It's like the Discovery Channel on steroids, racking up views like a squirrel collecting acorns. Wanting to know how much they were making, I went onto Social Blade and was shocked to see they were making approximately around £5,000 to a jaw-dropping £93,000 per month. And this channel isn't even a year old. Let's see one of their videos.
Most fish would swim away from shark. But this fish swims right into those razor-sharp teeth. Meet the cleaner fish, the doctor fish. Cleaner fish are fish that have a special feeding strategy by providing a service to other species, referred as clients, by removing dead skin, ectoparasites, and infected tissue.
So, I'm here to spill the beans on how you can turn this goldmine into your own personal piggy bank, all on autopilot. I've got two great methods that'll have you creating these magical videos. Method number 1 will have you creating your masterpieces in just 7 to 10 minutes. But brace yourselves for method number 2, the lightning speed wonder, where AI works its magic and your video is ready in less time than it takes you to choose a snack. So, make sure you watch to the end, as results will blow your mind. First, let's go to our trusted companion ChatGPT and type in the following prompt. Write 10 short paragraphs, 5 sentences long about sharks, and number each paragraph. You can choose whatever animal you like. You may be a little confused about the prompt, but you'll understand why a little later on. Great! ChatGPT has given me 10 paragraphs on sharks, so we are going to go on to the voiceover. I'll use 11 Labs. It's a free tool to generate text-to-speech voices. This will give a human-like voice for my script. Copy and paste the first paragraph from ChatGPT into here, and I'll choose a voice that fits well with the short. Adjust the text if you need to, and download it. Now it's time to make our awesome YouTube short. And for this, we'll use Canva. Search for YouTube Shorts, then select Create Blank option. Click Upload File and upload the voice file that we generated earlier. Once uploaded, hold it and drag it to the timeline. Click on the plus sign to add more pages. Now I need some copyright-free stock footage, so for that I'll click the element option, type shark, and select videos. Here you can see there are many shark videos that are free to use, but I'll further narrow the search result by filtering to vertical, as I'll need only vertical videos for my short. From here, you'll find plenty of stock footages that are completely free to use. Now it's time to edit the final video. I will simply click on any video, and it will automatically be added on to the blank canvas. I'm going to fast forward the editing part to save you time. Now that the editing part is done, we need to download it and add in some captions. For this, we are going to use a free video editing software called CapCut. Open up CapCut, click on New Project, and import the video from Canva into here. Drag your video onto the timeline. Click on Text and Auto Captions and click on Generate. This will automatically generate your captions. Make sure Apply to All is on, so that any changes you make are applied to all of the captions without wasting much time. Choose the font you like. Also select Stroke and Shadow, as this will make your text stand out. I will again fast forward the editing part. Once you are done, you can click on Export. To optimize our time to make more shorts in quick time. Remember, in the beginning, we generated 10 short paragraphs with exact 5 sentences, so now we can select the next paragraph and go through the same process. But we don't have to ask ChatGPT for more facts, and in Canva we can shuffle the clips or select a new video background by replacing the one we already have. This way, you can save some valuable time. Speaking of time, our second method will save you a whole lot of time. We can use a free AI tool called Fliki. Sign up for free. The link is in the description. Once signed in, click on New File and name your file. Click on Convert and select Idea to Video. Then type in what you want your short to be about. So for this example, we'll type in Write Facts about Sharks and select Short and Informational. Click on Submit and wait for it to generate. And voila, your short has been generated with captions. Select Settings and change the video ratio to Portrait. Now the video is ideal for shorts. Here you can choose your voiceover and you have hundreds of human-like voices to choose from. Select your background music. You can change the background video by clicking on the video and search for a related stock-free video. As Fliki can sometimes not generate the right video, once you are happy with everything, click on Download. And your short is done in record time. And these are the final results. In Canva,
Sharks are ancient predators. They have been around for an astonishingly long time, with their ancestors dating back over 420 million years. This makes them older than trees and even dinosaurs.
And, in
Facts
fliki,
about sharks. Did you know sharks have roamed our oceans for over 400 million years? They outlived dinosaurs and survived mass extinctions. They're not mindless killers. Sharks play a crucial role in maintaining marine ecosystems. Without them, the balance crumbles. Sharks have a sixth sense. They use electroreceptors to detect the electrical charges of their prey. It's like their personal radar. Believe it or not, most sharks are not dangerous to humans. Only a handful of the 400-plus species pose any threat to us.
So, this is how you can make your own nature-related YouTube Shorts channel and start earning big. Let me know in the comments section what you think about this easy way to make money online for free. Please subscribe. And if you have found this video useful, please comment and like it so I can create more content like this for you. Until next time, stay awesome.